Hello, in this video I want to show you this weekly cash flow dashboard that I built. So I sell this on Etsy and also on my website. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. If you purchase this item on my website, it's a little bit cheaper and you get 10% off. So check out the link in the description. So this is a weekly and monthly cash flow dashboard or spreadsheet that I built. So the cool thing about this weekly cash flow is that it has a mini calendar. So for example, you can select any year that you want. So let's say we're selecting, let's say 2026, and we can select any month, right? We can select January, February, and then you can select any start date, Saturday or Sunday. And then here you can select any week that you're working on. So let's say we pick week 1, you can see that week 1 over here on this calendar is highlighted, and also this week here is also highlighted. Let me just go back to 2025 real quick and then pick September, because today is September 30th, and you can see that the 30th here is highlighted orange, so it also highlights the current date as well. So again, so you can pick any week you want, and you can see this highlight here. So if you pick week 3, so you can enter in the data for week 3 there. It just highlights it for convenience. And then also, if you notice, each of the week here, it matches the date of the for that week. So for example, week 1 of September is from the 31st, August 31st through Saturday, 9/6/2025. So that's pretty cool. And then, here you can change any of your description here on the cash flow. So you can change it to any description that is appropriate for your business needs. So we can just change it to that, and then you can just enter in the amount that you have for that week, that you made for that week. And here it tells you the total cash inflow, and then it also give you the monthly total as well. And down here is your cash outflow, so you can change any of the description or categories here, and then you can enter your data. And of course, you have your monthly total, and then your total cash outflow, and then you have your net cash flow, which is automatically calculated. So net cash flow is basically the total inflow minus your outflow, and then the ending cash balance is pretty much the beginning balance plus your net cash flow. That's your ending balance basically, and everything here is automatically calculated. So you just need to input in your information. And then also notice that it also have a mini chart and graph here. So you have a mini bar chart here, and then this other ending cash flow chart, and then you have a summary as well. So it's a very neat weekly cash flow and dashboard and spreadsheet that you can use. So if you think this is helpful, check out the link in the description where you can purchase this item. Thank you.